provide you with any defenses?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you believe he has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against him?
I do, Your Honor.
Do you believe he's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
I do, Your Honor.
All right, who's here on Alejo Aguirre? All right, come forward, please. And then after this, we're taking.
It's too cute! It's disgusting!
23 CR 2080B, State of Texas versus Alejo Aguirre. Can I have parties announced for the record for the state?
Hank Wilkins for the state, Your Honor.
Defense?
Probation, Your Honor.
Are you Mr. Aguirre?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you review the document entitled Motion to Enter Adjudication of Guilt and Revoke Community Supervision with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, Your Honor.
Are you the same Alejo Jesus Aguirre who was placed on deferred adjudication in 2023 CR 2080B for the offense of theft $2,500 to $30,000 on May 2nd, 2023 for a period of 2 years? Is that you?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, state.
Violated condition number 4, on or about the 10th day of May, 2023 in Bexar County, Texas. The defendant, Alejo Jesus Aguirre, did then and there fail to attend orientation at the Bexar County Community Supervision and Corrections Department in violation of condition number 4.
How do you plead to that? True or not true?
True, Your Honor.
And Your Honor, we waive the other violations alleged in the motion.
Any objection?
No objection, Your Honor.
Did you understand by pleading true to violation of condition number 4? Court could find it true, grant the motion, find you guilty, sentence you up to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to $10,000 fine. Did you understand? Knowing that, do you still wish to plead true to violation of condition number 4? Court will find violation of condition number 4 true. Is there a proposed agreement?
There is not, Your Honor. The state is asking for revocation and for the 2 years, Your Honor.
All right, defense, what are you requesting?
One of my clients is requesting, he noticed that he didn't do anything on the court. He has agrees for that. He said there was a lot of issues going on in his life, had some mental health issues. He's asking the court to consider putting him back out on intensive supervision and doing some kind of drug classes while he's on supervision. I'll let my client.
You want to raise your right hand?
Yes, sir.
Do you solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you give will be the truth and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, sir.
All right, you can lower your hand, state your name for the record.
That Jesus Aguirre.
All right, what do you wish to say?
At the time right now was 13 times. I've been hospital for 2 months right after.
Oh, well, let me stop you right there. So you're saying you were shot 13 times? All right, and you were in the hospital. When were you in the hospital?
I was shot a month after I was supposed to start my probation, and then I was at the University Hospital.
When were you released?
August.
All right, does anybody have proof that he was in the hospital?
My attorney could have known all of this.
Well, so here's my question.
Yes, ma'am.
So you're telling me you were shot in 2023 of May.
Yes.
When were you arrested for this?
For this case?
Yes,
Like
for the motion to revoke. No, here's your timeline that you're giving me. You're saying you were placed on probation in May 2023. We'll find that the defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived his right to jury trial. Showing you the plea bargain page. Did you review that page with your attorney and did you understand it?
yes, ma'am.
To the plea bargain agreement, there's a $500 fine to be probated. State recommends deferred education that would in consideration JN number 2112854. Did you understand that? Defense?
Yes, Your Honor.
State?
Yes, Judge.
Showing you the paragraph entitled waiver paragraph. Did you review that paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in both places?
Yes.
Did you understand by signing that you're waiving your right to appeal? The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by. All right, after reviewing State's Exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there's sufficient evidence to find you guilty. However, the court will defer finding of guilt and apply for deferred adjudication. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
Yes, Your Honor.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
Respectfully, Judge, we're just asking you if you would grant my client his application for deferred. I believe he's got no priors. He learned a valuable lesson and believe he'll be back here.
All right, what lesson have you learned?
Make sure it's that I make sure to change before I attend to help anybody else. Make sure I know all of the everything's all the ongoing that are happening.
No, I mean, that's not what the police report says. I read the police report, and the police report says that three subjects were loading wooden pallets. The subjects were identified, you and this Canales person and some unknown third suspect that fled the scene on foot. Jay Smith confirmed by he happened to be arriving on the property when he observed the subjects loading wooden pallets on the bed of the listed truck. When he confronted them, after being confronted, the subjects put back the wooden pallets, but large metal materials were found on the bed of the truck. Jay Smith stated, Gary told him, I'm just trying to make some money. You know how it is. I then observed the bed of the listed truck that contained an electric motor, metal bracket, and 4 metal poles, miscellaneous metal scraps, and a long angle iron. So, are you employed
Yes, Your Honor.
doing what?
I'm a caregiver. Right. Oh, sorry.
What do you do?
Caregiver, massage therapist.
Massage therapist.
That's correct, Your Honor.
Yeah, well, that's disgusting.
So, how do you go from massage therapist?
Your Honor, COVID, so everything kind of came to a halt.
No, you're telling me you're currently a massage therapist.
I am a licensed massage therapist, but ever since COVID hit, it went to almost zero.
And where were you a licensed massage
In
therapist?
Arizona.
I can't hear you.
In Arizona. I've been here for 2 years.
All right, could you please stop rattling the paper
Sorry.
because the court reporter can't hear?
I understand.
All right, so you're in Arizona, you're a licensed massage therapist, and then you come to Texas?
That's correct.
So what do you do for a living here in Texas? That's what I'm asking you about.
I'm taking care of my parents. They're disabled.
So you don't have a job.
It's considered a job, Your Honor.
Are you getting paid for the government by that?
No, Your Honor.
Then how are you making your money?
My parents, they pay me.
All right, that's going to stop. You're getting, will you please stop rattling it? Counsel, would you take the paper for him? I'm sure he may be a little bit nervous.
No, I'm not nervous. I'm just,
Well, stop rattling the paper then. So you're getting a job. How old are you?
45.
Yes, you're not going to be living off your parents. You're getting a job.
I'm not living off of my parents, Your Honor.
Are they paying you?
It's very little, Your Honor, but I'm not living off of my parents, Your Honor.
Where are you staying? Who do you live with?
I have a roommate.
So how are you paying for where you live?
Scrapping, doing side jobs, landscaping.
Mhm. You're getting a real job. I'm not going to allow you to take money from your parents. That's
Oh.
not going to happen. You're 45 years old. If you're helping out guess what? If you're helping out your parents, then you don't take money from them.
I'm not, okay.
You just told me you received, did I not hear that right? Didn't he just, counsel, did he say he received money from his parents for taking care of them?
It's a very small amount, Your Honor.
All right, so you're not getting money from your parents anymore. I don't know. You're 45 years old. You need to support yourself. If you're helping, no, what's ridiculous is that you're 45 years old. You say that you're helping your parents, and actually your parents are paying you to take care of them. They shouldn't be giving you money. If you are helping your parents, you shouldn't be accepting money for them.
Your Honor, you asked me a question and you caught me off guard, so that was the answer that I gave you, Your Honor.
What, is it not true?
But no, because I feel like you're belittling.
No, is it not true? Is it not true that you're accepting money for them?
No, it's not.
So you don't accept any money from your parents?
Your Honor, what it is, I mean, literally less than $50. I mean, literally. I gave you that answer, but I wasn't expecting to be asked that question, Your Honor. Okay, but you're belittling me in front of this court. That you don't know me.
I know that you're 45 years old and that
Correct,
you
Your Honor.
say you're taking care of your parents.
Correct.
I know that you just pled to a theft case, so you were stealing. I know that you are getting money from your parents. You're going to get a job. So
So
I have-
in this court,
Okay, yes, Your Honor.
you're not doing scrap metaling.
Yes, Your
You're
Honor.
getting a job with a paycheck. Do you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
And if you want to be disrespectful to the court, I can, and I'm sure your attorney told you that if need be, so that you can have an attitude readjustment, I can do as a condition of your probation, 180 days at the state jail facility, so you can see how the state jail facility is for a little bit. I don't know why people don't want to get jobs. That's how you support yourself. You're 45 years old. You're not a teenager. I have teenagers who come to court and they don't have jobs, and I require that they get jobs. So you're going to get a full-time job. So it's a $500 fine, probated, 2 years deferred education, proof of employment within 15 days, and it's going to be full-time employment. So that means 40 hours a week. If you need to get 2 part-time jobs to make 40 hours, then you get 2 part-time jobs. There's to be no employment as a home health care provider or with minors. Do you have any children? Do you have any children?
Your Honor, I have one child.
What are their ages?
He's 22.
All right, 120 hours of community service restitution, CATS 1 and 2. And CATS 1 and 2, my understanding, that's a program to tell people not to steal. Take in consideration JN number 2112854. I'm going to want a drug test today. If it's positive, is it going to be negative?
No, Your Honor.
All right, if it's positive, I'm going to want intensive outpatient treatment with probation and a TAP evaluation. If negative, I'm going to want regular UAs. I'm going to want field visits 1 time per month until further notice. Probation, is there anything else he needs? Yes, here. Is there anything else you need from the court to be successful?
No, Your Honor.
Showing you what's entitled trial court certification of defendant's rights to appeal. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it? And did you sign it?
Yes, Your Honor.
And I'm sorry, one more thing I need to add to his conditions. There's to be no contact with showing you trial court certification of defendant's rights to appeal, because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waive your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission. Do you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, good luck to your probation. We'll go over conditions with you, and you'll need a UA sample today.
Yes, Your Honor.
Thank you, counsel.
Thank you, Your Honor.
End of flashback.
And then you're saying almost immediately thereafter, you were shot how many times? 13 times. And you were in the hospital for 2 months, correct? So I'll give you that from May, I'll give you June, July, August, 2023.
Yes.
So what have you been doing since August of 2023? And why didn't you pick up the phone and call probation?
No, you're definitely right. I dropped the ball with that.
No, I'm asking you, why didn't you pick up the phone and call probation?
I'm still dealing with the after effects of that my father passed away. And I dropped the ball. I don't know what other time you want.
All right.
I'm still to you.
His family did confirm to me, and they told me he had been shot.
Okay.
Some of his family members here, they did tell me that. I didn't know the exact date, but they did tell me, and he still has, I think, like 9 or 10 bullets.
Okay, but that still doesn't answer.
I'm just want to make
No. I believe what you're saying, counsel. All right. So I'm believing you that the family has informed you that he was shot, and he's informing you that he's been shot. But what that means, if I give you were shot in May 2023, then I give you June, because maybe you're recovering. Then I give you July. I give you August to recover. So that's August of 2023. From August 2023 till when you were arrested for this motion to revoke,
Yes.
nobody's had contact with you. So my question goes back to, why didn't you pick up the phone and call probation?
I dropped the ball. I messed up. I made it a bad mistake.
Okay, I understand. All right, Okay, this is what the court is going to do. Court is going to grant the motion, find you guilty, sentence you to 18 months in state jail facility, and give you credit for any time served. Did you review the trial court certification of defendant's rights to appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes.
All right, you do have a limited right to appeal. That right to appeal is as it relates to the allegations in the motion, not the fact that you are on deferred adjudication. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what a weapon or ammunition is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
All right, we can go off the record. Sir, I always tell everybody in this court who's before me, we want you to succeed.
Yes, sir.
If there's an issue, all you have to do is pick up the phone and call probation. You could have picked up the phone and said, probation, I'm in the hospital. Or immediately when you got out of the hospital, call them. Okay? All right, good luck to you, okay? All right, everyone, we're going on recess. We'll be back at 1:30.